Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to share with you all the project using the P3's water collector images project. And before I show you this project, I have to tell you the story, how silly and how funny I am. Actually, I make this is a snippet roll that I make for the chat for my entry to actually I make this one for the challenge for June Angel Pills, and she invite me to participate in her challenge, and so I make a snippet roll. And I use these images because of Biade. Hi Biade. Yeah, she posts her teacup, fabric teacup. Use the Peter Rabbit image for her teacup, and I think that the image inspired me to use this image in my snippet roll. But after today I because of I want to do a video, so that I have to check to my video. I have to check to my video and get the June her challenge link. But when I log into my YouTube and I saw it, share this her teacup project is for the challenge, for another challenge is from Debbie Wignola, or what, sorry for my pronunciation if I am wrong. Her birthday challenge is use the P3's water collector to make the project, so that and I think so that I have to change my mind, and I will not send this to June challenge, because this Peter Rabbit is more suitable for Debbie, her birthday challenge. So this one is I will send this to Debbie. So anyway, I know the challenge, the deadline is on February 10th. Just now I checked already on YouTube. So anyway, I will not submit this in the challenge, but I will send this to Debbie for as her birthday gift. So and I have to make another snippet roll for June and use another collector, another image, and because I still have so many projects behind me, and I have to make the monthly kit, and I thought I can rush and finish this and do a video and send this to June, but I think I have made a big mistake for this collector, because I should make another image for June, and this one I will send to Debbie. Yes. Okay, anyway, this is my story, and just want you all know how silly I am. Anyway, this is the snippet roll. You can see I make this charm to hang this. This is the Peter. You can see Peter Rabbit Garden, and this is the bunny head. Actually, you can remove this out, and I use this to tie it up. And I sew all this on the fabric and print the image from computer. Okay. This is the tangle charm, like so. Okay, and for the row, and I sew all this and print all the image from the internet, and this is underneath. So this like so, create so. And I didn't make it put too much embellishment, because you can see this is quite busy, because the fabric underneath also is a floral fabric. So I make it simple, and I first cut out these rows, and also this one, another image, another rose fabric, like so. Very simple. And this one, beautiful. And this is the and love, like so. Yeah, this is my snippet roll. And yeah, if you want, you can add some doodads around here, like so. Okay, and yeah, I will send this to Debbie as her birthday gift, and I will make another one for June snippet roll challenge. So yeah, this is the, I just use this pen to pin the bunny. So yeah, just roll around and tie this up. Like so. Okay, I will send this out today. So yeah, and I will have to rush and do another snippet roll for June challenge. So yeah, hope you all like this, and please leave me a comment and what do you think. And yeah, I will also make the kit as for a special sales in my kit group. Yeah, if you're interested, you can check it out in my monthly kit group in Facebook. Okay, and bye bye everyone, and thanks for